All right, welcome. Thanks for joining me. And we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to run through an algorithm, a robot, should we say, that automatically trades gold. So we're going to be trading gold contracts hands-free, doing nothing. All we do is literally set it and forget it, as that phrase goes. So we'll show you how to activate an automated trading system in your account. But first, remember that there always is risk of loss when trading. So whenever there's a potential for profit, there's of course potential for loss. And I'll have you take note that past performance is no guarantee of future results. So keep that in mind. And with that said, I'm going to jump over to the home page here, or the dashboard for AV Systems. This is our automated futures trading systems platform. And you'll notice here there are a lot of systems to choose from, over 2,000, but we're not going to go through all this. This is just 25 of the 2,000 here, 2,100. What we're going to do here is I have one in particular, and I've saved it as a favorite. It's called Forest Gold. We're going to click on that. And let's take a tour of this particular trading system. We'll kind of start from the top here and work our way down. You'll see the name of the developer is Forest Trading, and that's basically the entity of systems developers, program developers that created this particular system. They wrote the code and the algorithm that automatically trades, trading gold. It's intraday only, so that means you're always out of the contract by the close. It's $55 a month. That's the license fee that goes directly to the developer. And this is our demo account here. Now let me run you through the top here and explain what this means. This is the total profit and loss, or total P&L, since this particular system was back tested back to August of last year. This is the profit since it was first tracked on the AV Systems platform, so it met all of the due diligence criteria, and it was then placed on the platform and available at that point. And then in May of this year, there are traders that went live with this, so that means there's real live money that began trading this here. And you'll see the worst drawdown, suggested capital. This is important. This is the number to use when you're doing these algo systems, because all of the criteria for performance is based off of that suggested capital number. You can see the equity curve here going back in time from the beginning of the hypothetical data. Okay, and let me look at this table, these two sections down here. These are important. You'll notice here different metrics that you can look at, and if you want a brief description of any of them, you'll click on that plus sign there. You get a blow up, a pop up there for that icon. It gives you a further description. Okay, and we'll look at a few of these here. Your total profit and loss, your annualized ROI, profit factor. This is your best winning session, $6,300. Your worst, about $2,000. You can see here that percentage of time in the market, just about 16%. So that's not always going to be trading. It's not a high velocity type of day trading system. It's a little bit lower velocity, I'd say. And so you get the idea here. And then look at this table here. This is a key table as well. You can see back on August 2020, this is when all the hypothetical back testing comes into play, and this already accounts for all slippage and trading cost. So all of the back tested data accounts for all of that. And then you'll see it turns color here. That's sort of that tan color. And what that's telling us is now the system was available on the AV Systems platform. It was visible to our client base. They could now see it and look at it and decide if they wanted to activate it or not, and they did, starting in June. So this is real live money performance, real accounts, real people with real live money trading, and this is a great number here in June, July, August, so it's off to a very, very good start here with this live performance. And in fact, let's look here. I'll show you if you can drill down, how to drill down on any particular month. And you can see all of the trading performance here. So here you go. Just 1 second here while I adjust my screen. Okay, so here we go. Let's take a look. You have negative P&L, you have some positive P&L, negative, positive, positive. You can see the equity curve here, and you can see the total accumulated P&L right there. So you can see here if you started maybe on this day here, of course, you'd be starting negative. You'd have some ground to make up, and in this case it did. But sometimes your performance for any month will just depend on when you activate that system as well. But you can see everything is available and visible to you. Everything's transparent. And in fact, you can see the trade log. So you can go back in time and see all of the trading activity and the fill prices. You can see all that activity based on a session by session or day by day. You'll notice at the end of the day, everything is 0, meaning you're flat. All right. Now, if you wanted to activate this system, if you like it, if you like what you see, you think it's going to continue to do well, you would simply click this icon, and then you would buy the license or activate the strategy, and you would go ahead and click read the terms and so forth and click activate. This is just a demo account. I won't do that here, but I'll show you what would happen once you do activate the system. This is where it would show up. It would show up under your My Systems section here. And you can see here, these are all the active live trading systems in this demo account and the current accumulated profit and loss. See, so far today, slightly down on the day so far, but we have a little bit of time left in the session. So who knows by the end of the day where we'll be. And you'll see there's a crude oil. There's 3 of these E-mini S&P 500 systems. You can see this one's down, losing a little today, but accumulated has over 23,000 in gains. These other 2 are losing, but overall, these 3 systems here together are net positive and so forth. You can see there's a gold system in this demo account as well, currently with no position. Here's a NASDAQ with a position right now, last trade that it bought. So it's sitting on a small gain at the moment. So that's how you do it. If you want to stop trading on any particular system, you simply click that and stop strategy, and you can just walk through when you want to stop it and then click deactivate, and it's just that simple. Or, of course, you can just let it run for as long as you'd like. And you can see all of the fills for any of the systems you're trading and all of the orders that might be in place. So everything is visible and transparent, and nothing is hidden from you. All right, very good. So with that said, that's going to wrap up our brief tour of this one particular gold trading system. But of course, as you know, past performance never guarantees future results. So if you had any other comments or questions, we'll go ahead and put a link in the description below, and you're welcome to give us a call, 949-236-6961. Thanks for joining us. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.